In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to host a TikTok live session. Live streaming on TikTok can be a fantastic way to engage with your audience in real time, showcase your latest products, conduct informative Q&As, or simply connect on a more personal level. Let's dive into the process and ensure you make the most of this interactive opportunity. First and foremost, you need to verify if your account is eligible to go live. TikTok has set requirements that you must meet before you can access this feature. It's essential that you are at least 18 years old and have a minimum of 1,000 followers on your TikTok business account. Additionally, your account should be in full compliance with TikTok's community guidelines to ensure a safe and welcoming environment for all users. Bear in mind that TikTok's features can vary by region, so availability may differ depending on where you are. If you haven't switched to a business account yet, now's the time. Head to your profile, tap the menu icon, navigate through Settings and Privacy, then Account, and select Switch to Business Account. Once there, choose the business category that best suits your needs and complete the necessary profile details. A business account not only allows you to go live, but also offers several other features and analytics to enhance your TikTok experience. Before starting your live session, preparation is key. First, plan out your content. Decide what you want to achieve with your session. It could be a product demonstration, a Q&A session, or perhaps an exciting announcement. Ensure you have good lighting setup and a clean, professional-looking background. A strong internet connection is crucial, so make sure your Wi-Fi is stable and fast to avoid any interruptions during your live stream. When it's time to go live, open your TikTok app and tap the plus button at the bottom of the screen. Swipe over to the live option, then enter a captivating and relevant title for your stream. It's also a good idea to add a cover image to give viewers a preview of what to expect. Don't forget to add relevant topics or tags, as they significantly help increase discoverability. When everything is set, hit go live and start engaging with your audience. During the live session, interaction is important. Engage with your viewers by responding to comments, asking questions, and acknowledging your followers. Utilize TikTok's interactive features like polls, Q&A, or even GIFs if enabled. If you have products to promote, link them through TikTok Shop for seamless interaction and potential sales. To end your live stream, simply tap the X at the top corner and confirm to conclude your session. Take some time afterward to review the analytics provided by TikTok, including total viewers, engagement, and any gifts received. This data provides valuable insight into your performance. Finally, make it a habit to check TikTok analytics under the content section for more detailed metrics such as peak concurrent viewers, average watch time, and gifts or interactions received. Use these insights to refine and improve your future live sessions, enhancing your audience's experience and boosting your reach on TikTok.